We are on a small island in Thailand. This is the jungle. Just walking on an old trail. As you can see, it might be easy. Get turned around. There's some termites on that tree. Oh, lots of more termites on that tree. Some vines. There's a big vine right ahead of us. I believe this is a virgin jungle. It's never been cut down and planted with coconuts, for example. This path was cleared for visitors on the island. You can see the sign. It was cleared for visitors to go to various beaches on the island. But it doesn't look like a lot of people use these, especially in some places. The trail virtually disappears. Believe it or not, about 100 meters that direction is an ocean. So all you hear here is a little bit of a boat passing and our footsteps. Oh, and we've already been this way on this trail, so it's cleared of spider webs. Otherwise, we'd be running into spider webs every few meters. There's a spider web down there glistening. But the spiders build webs just about everywhere. Here's an example of that leaf floating there. It's being held up by a spider web. Some more vines. Another sign. Okay, with that we'll cut this.